today's lecture, we will cover how to install a package, how to load a package, and how to install multiple packages in one go. So in order to install a package in R, the function is install.packages, right? And in parentheses in double quotes, you have to write the name of the package which you want to install, right? So for example, I want to install a package called dplyr, dplyr, which is a data manipulation package. So in order to install that, I just need to write install.packages and in bracket name of the package which is dplyr. Control enter. R will start installing the package and it will be reflected in your R console. So currently if you see here there is a stop button. If you do not want to install it, just press this, and right now R is just installing the package to the directory. It is still in progress. Now it is successfully getting unpacked and installed in your package library, which is this path. Right now, in order to use that package, you need to first load this package in R using library or require function. So just write library and in bracket write name of the package is dplyr, and right now the package is already attached and is loaded to your R session. So whenever you want to use this package, you first always have to load it to the R session. Now in order to install multiple packages together, you have to create a vector of packages name. For example, here I am creating a vector called pkgviz package using the vector function c, and in double quotes I am writing the name of the packages which I want. So dplyr is for data manipulation, ca-tools is for logistic regression, and ggplot2 is for data visualization. This is how I created a vector to install multiple packages, and now inside the install.packages function I am writing the name of the vector. This will install all the required packages in one go. Right now it is prompting a window which is saying that these packages are already installed in my system, so it wants R to restart. So I'm saying yes, restart the package, restart R and install the package. Right now it's installing the package in the current library. Right now installing ca-tools, now dplyr, and now ggplot2, and it's done. Now you, if suppose now you do not want to install this package in your system, so in order to do that, remove that package. There's a function called remove dot packages, and in bracket you need to write the name of your package which is say ca-tools. It will remove the package from your directory. So remove is removing the package from your installed directory and it has been removed. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning.